Hello guys, today we are going to see how to solve add two numbers by LeetCode. This is a medium difficulty question, so let's look at the problem. You are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers, so they won't have negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order. So let's say 342 is stored as 243 in reverse order, so you can carry the two carry from here to here, so there is no need to reverse the linked list. You may assume that the two numbers do not contain any leading zeros, so there won't be a zero here, as 0342 will be 342 as well. So let's look at the example. Example 1 is 243 and 564. So the addition goes like this: 7, 0, 10, 1 carry, 0 and 8. Okay, so let's look at the code. Just for reference, linked list is something which has a value and another next, which points to the next node of the linked list. As you can see the declaration here for the class, we are using the object of that class. As you can see in the input itself, L1 is optional class of list node. So L1 will contain value and L1 dot next. It may be none, but it will be there. Yeah, so let's solve the problem. So we are set to return a new list, so we'll use a L3. We'll initialize it with 0 and we'll create a variable carry to store our carry. We'll initialize it with 0. Also, we need a head to store the head of L3, as we are going to use L3 to traverse the list, so head might go missing, as lists are unidirectional. It's a singly list, so there is no prev. So let's go and store L3 here. So as per the problem, there might be L1 greater than L2, so it can contain up to 7 and here is 4, so we have to take them into consideration as well. So while L1 or L2 or carry is present, not equal to 0, we will iterate over the list. So we know that L1 dot val plus L2 dot val plus carry will give us the sum of the current node. We just have to remove the carry and the digit from it. But let's say we have reached here and there is no L2 node, so this will fail. So for that we will use int1 and int2, wherein we will store, okay, this didn't work here, wherein we will store L1 dot val if L1 is present, else it will be 0. This is just to handle the edge cases. L2 dot val if L2 else 0. So we can have the addition as L2 int1, and for the second one we can have int2 and carry. So we have to remove the digit and the carry from our addition. So we'll just do addition mod 10 will be our digit and addition floor 10 will be our carry. So using that we can have a L3 dot next. So we have to create a L3 dot next, a new list node using the digit which we obtained, and also move the L3 forward. So let's say L3 equal to L3 dot next. So we have to iterate this too as well. So let's iterate them. L1 equal to L1 dot next. If L1 is present, else we can assign none. So these conditions can be met. L2 equal to L, same for the below one. L2 dot next if L2 else none. So using this we can handle all the cases there is. Let's see if anything is missing. L1 L2 carry, we are iterating over it, also adding and getting the digits and carry out, assigning, creating the list, new is. So now we can return the head dot next. But just to clean up the memory, we can have a res equal to head dot next, and we were using a dummy node at first, right? So what we can do is clear the head dot next here, as we already stored it with none. So we'll just return the result here. Let's run the code. All the cases are accepted. Let's submit it. So we beat 93.12%, but this varies on each submission. So if let's just say I submit it again, it will go down or may go up depending upon the. Okay, this is nice. Just still getting okay. As you can see, it beats only 30% now. So our memory is 16 MB. Okay, so let's look at the problem and time complexity plus space complexity. So the space complexity of this will be, oh, sorry, let's go there now. The space complexity will be whatever is max. So if L1 and L2, let's consider them as M and N. So it will be big of whatever is max from M or N. This will be the time space complexity as well as the time complexity as we are iterating over the L1 and L2. So always calculate the time and space complexity at the end of the problem, as it helps you impress the interviewer, as they can guess that you know about your what you're writing. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video.